What's going on, guys? It's Nico Moreno here, coming at you with another awesome free video. So in today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to create messenger bots for local businesses. So if you're going to be doing this for clients, this is a super hot niche that you need to be tapping into. So I'm going to talk about the easiest ways to get new local business clients for your chatbot agency or for your marketing agency. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to give this video a like, and also be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Or you can also click the smiley face sunglasses dude to join the family here on YouTube. All right, so let's get into today's training. The first example that I pulled up, I don't know who this guy is, but this is a real estate agent. So this is actually a very profitable niche to get into. There's a ton of profitable niches out there, but this is a great niche to approach new clients for chatbot marketing. So you're gonna see over here in the right-hand corner, lower right-hand corner, there's nothing there, right? There's no chat bubble. And what we can do with messenger bots and with ManyChat specifically is we can actually have a ManyChat chat bubble pop up there and have the bot be starting a conversation with anyone who visits the site. So this is really, really important for any inbound leads, any people who visit this site organically, or you can also run traffic to the site as well. But anyone who's sitting here on the website, a lot of times they have a question that is going to be left unanswered. And if it's not answered, they're just going to leave, right? So obviously this guy, he has his phone number and he has other ways to get in touch with him. It's just so much easier than picking up the phone to make a phone call. A lot of people will engage with the little chat bubble that pops up there. So this is a great small front end offer that you can offer a new client to at least just get your foot in the door with them. So I'm going to show you guys actually what that looks like here inside of ManyChat. So what we would do is we would create a new growth tool inside of our free ManyChat account. What we're going to select is customer chat. Okay, so this is completely free, and what it looks like is it's just going to be a little chat bubble down here, and the conversation starts as soon as someone hits that page. Okay, so we're going to leave this text right here for now, and then for setup. So you can also get a preview here of what this is going to look like. You can have it big like this, you can have it pop up where they can already see the text, or you can have it be small like this where they have to actually click chat now in order to initiate the conversation. And that's really it. This is super simple, and what you would do here is you would add them to a sequence, or you could add additional messages after that by clicking the edit button, and that's how you get the conversation going. But the setup step is super easy. All you do is have them install a simple JavaScript snippet piece of code on their website, and then you're good to go. So one thing that you can say about this specifically, the benefits of why they should be using chatbots and chat bubbles like this on their website, is they can immediately respond to inbound leads. This is a fantastic front-end offer to get your foot in the door with new clients. You can have them pay you something like $100 or something just very, very small to get your foot in the door, especially if you're new. You can also frame this in a really no-brainer type of way. So what you can say is something like, hey, you're probably paying a support person about $10, $12 an hour, and so for every single week that support person is working for you, I'm not super good at math, but it would be something like a couple $100 a week, right? So if you just install this one chat bubble, it's a one-time setup fee of $100, and then boom, you can pretty much say goodbye to that support person. And it doesn't even have to just be local businesses. You can use this strategy for any type of client. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give it a like, and let me know down in the comments below what you thought, if you've tried something like this, how it's working for you, or if you've had success with it. All right, I really do want to hear from you guys. And again, if you took value from this, if you liked what you saw, please give this video a big thumbs up. Every single one counts, and I really do appreciate it. And finally, make sure that you hit subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel to continue to get awesome free content and training like this from me on a daily basis. All right, thanks so much, guys. It's been Nico Moreno, and I'll chat with you guys next time.